Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be checking out this battery-operated portable fan. This is a rechargeable battery-operated portable fan, and this is actually from the same company that I reviewed those screen protectors from about a month ago, WSKEN. Very, very good screen protectors. If you haven't seen that video, I did a video on that for the S24 Ultra. And they just came out with this new fan and they wanted me to check it out, so I told them I would go ahead and do that since I did enjoy the screen protector so much. And this is a rechargeable fan. Best part about it is it does use USB-C, which isn't too common on just small items like this, but it's very nice to see it use USB-C, so you don't really have to carry that many cables around. Most devices are using USB-C nowadays. And then right here on the top we do have your controls. So we have the power button, and then we have the fan speed selector right here. So if we go ahead and turn it on, it does show the battery percentage with a little battery icon to show you that that's what it's showing, and then it switches to the fan speed with the little like wind icon. Now you may see it flickering on the display here on screen, but that is just the camera. It is not actually doing that in person. And you can turn the speed up in increments of 20. I don't know how well that sounds on camera if it's blowing into the microphone too much. It does reset back to 1 when you turn it off and back on. You can also hold the button and choose a fan speed manually like this, so if you want something a little more precise, you can do that as well. You don't have to turn it up in increments of 20. So that is pretty nice. And when you turn it back off, it gives you the battery percentage once again. I have gotten about a few hours of usage from this, so the battery life is pretty good. Obviously the battery life is going to depend on what fan speed you are using, and it is of course adjustable. It rotates all the way up and faces all the way forward. And then on the bottom here you do have 4 anti-slip, non-slip feet there, so you don't have it sliding around and everything. And it is pretty quiet. Like I said, I don't know how it sounded with it blowing right up at the camera, but it is pretty quiet and the airflow is quite good. So if you're going on like a camping trip or something like that, maybe in your car, if you work out of your car or something like that, you need something portable, this is a great fan for that, and it does recharge pretty quickly as well. So I'll go ahead and leave the link down to Amazon where you can pick one of these up. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.